Like, I would like to have one of those. So, hey, it's Henry here at Mowers and Blowers. I'm going with my cousin to Pennsylvania. We're going to go buy some fireworks for 4th of July. Anyway, we're on the Throgs Neck Bridge now, and there's a Fort Totten near here, and I don't know, there's like a civil war going on here on the northeast. Excuse me, sir, we need to confiscate the film of you filming our classified clandestine vehicles.
Mario Cuomo Bridge.
This is the new Governor Mario Cuomo Bridge. It replaced the Tappan Zee Bridge, crossing over from New York to New Jersey over the Hudson River. Hey, Eric, what are you doing over there? Gotta get a chocolate shake. All drinks. Ooh. Well, you know, it's not all drinks, because have you guys seen that Coke or Pepsi has a vanilla and a orange drink? Yes, I'm still here. It says more. More doesn't work. Fanta? Surge? Damn it. Can't decide, man. Yes, I'm still here. Fanta? Or, damn it. Surge, Zero. Nah. Fanta. Ooh. Well, you know what? I gotta go back. Now, you know why? Because they have the new Coke, right? That's the vanilla with the orange. Oh, yeah? Well, I want to try. Orange? Oh, there it is. That's it. Oh, I gotta have that. That's the new one. That they have the commercial, you know?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Always wanted to try that. That's a new drink, fellas. You guys gotta try it. Remind me to go to the bathroom before we get back on the road. Nice. Ah, it's just a fender bender. Oh, this is classic right here. That's fantastic. Good Lord. What? Mom, we're not doing anything bad. What are you talking about? So, as you guys saw, I'm back from Pennsylvania. Gonna have a lot of fun this 4th of July for sure. So anyway, now I got this running. Well, I'm gonna put the deck on now. But before I put the deck on now, I gotta grind out all the rust spots on the deck. You know, my cousin and I really thought about buying that Grounds for Divorce assortment, but I don't think it would have fit in the car. So, I'm going to take my grinder, grind out some of this rust spots, chipping paint, and use my $1.99, I'm sorry, not even 99, 98-cent spray paint can that I got from Home Depot, and just go over it once. No matter what, you want to get it looking better than this, right? Also, I got to rebend that bar back.
That's going to be tricky. Might have to take this off and stand on it or bang it or something. That's not going to work. So I finished touching it up with some Rust-Oleum enamel. Nice and shiny now on those rusted spots. It looks pretty good. Didn't do the whole thing, just the parts. You can tell by the transition, right? That's okay. Still looks way better than before. I did manage to wait until the deck was dry of its black paint, and I basically just set it up underneath here. I took a little bit to fidget with it, you know, and kind of get it into its spots. The back here has a cotter pin that goes into the rear corners. There it is right there. See? I have to put a cotter pin on this side and that side. Lined up this black one with that. I have to put the rod through there. Same on the other side. And the tricky part is there's actually like two screws that go here. One in there, and I think a spring goes in there too, as well as a wing nut for that groove there. So I'm going to try to weasel it in there. So it's a 6 connection thing. It's kind of a pain. And also I have to kind of route that belt in there. I'm not sure how to do it. I might have to go back to my video again to get it on. So I think I put on the deck correctly. I'll start it up and maybe mow my lawn.
goes pretty well. Hey guys, support my channel, buy a sticker. Also, follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers. Yeah. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com. See you guys on the next one. Have a great day.